What's up, everybody? Today we are making an egg roll bowl using the Primal Kitchen no soy teriyaki sauce. And to get things started, we're just gonna heat up our pan. We're gonna take a little bit of the Primal Kitchen avocado oil, just like a teaspoon to get things started. And then we're gonna take a pound of ground pork and add it to the pan. If you're not into ground pork, you could sub some other kind of ground meat, ground turkey, ground chicken. But we're gonna cook this until it's nice and brown, and we're gonna stir it up well. Then we're just gonna remove it from the burner and drain the excess oil, and then add the ground meat back to the pan. Next, you're gonna take a bag of coleslaw mix, and you're gonna add that in, and we're gonna stir it up well. We're gonna cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or just until it's wilted, stirring frequently. Next, we're gonna add our Primal Kitchen no soy teriyaki sauce. We're gonna add a 1/4 cup of that. Next is coconut aminos, and we're gonna add a teaspoon of that. Next, we're gonna add 2 green onions sliced up and 2 tablespoons of cilantro leaves. Then we're gonna remove it from the heat. We're gonna top it off with a 1/4 cup of macadamia nuts, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds, and a squeeze of fresh lime juice. Super easy, super simple. And if you wanna pick up some no soy teriyaki sauce, you can find it on primalkitchen.com. Just use the code HELLO20 and you'll get 20% off. Thanks for watching.